What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. Today's footwork move we're going to work on is called the 4-step. Before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you would like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today. Hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so just like any of our numbered step, 3-step, 4-step, 6-step, etc., a 4-step is just a pattern of 4 steps. So this is not exactly the way you have to do it, but this is just the most common 4-step pattern that I see people do. So for this one, all I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my first sweep. So I'm going to pretend like I'm going to skip the hook part of it and go straight to this back step back here. Okay, so at the same time I'm trying to get there, I'm going to use my right leg to sweep around. So the first move will just look like this. Okay, so I'm getting back to this part of my 6th step, so the 2nd step if you're starting from the front, and I'm using my right leg to generate momentum to push my left leg back. Okay, so from here you have 2 options. You can use both hands, and all I'm going to do is hop to my right here. Okay, so for me, I like to bend my left leg. You can keep it straight. It's more of a stylistic thing. Okay, so that's option number 1. Number 2 would be you could switch your hands. Okay, so you could start with your right hand and you could switch to your left. Just to make it simple for you right now, we're just gonna go to the double hand. Okay, so I'm gonna go right hand and then 2 hands. So this would be step 1. So 1, jump, 2. Okay, so now from here, I'm basically trying to get to this position. So I'm gonna use my right leg to jump forward. My left leg is gonna shoot through. Okay, so from here, I'm on my right foot. I want to shoot my left leg through here. My right leg's gonna jump forward. Okay, so from here, all I would need to do is just do a simple weight change and switch my weight here, almost like I'm about to do a monkey swing. So in your head, you want to think you're going left leg, right leg, left leg. Okay, so super slow. Step 1, this is 1, jump, 2, 3, 4. So let's try that again. So 6, 7, 8. This goes left, right, left. One more time. So 6, 7, 8. This goes left, right, left. All right, so once you have that side, let's try the other side. So again, we're trying to get to the second part of our 6th step if you're starting from the front. So I'm trying to get to this position, and at the same time, I want this leg to sweep and create that motion. Okay, so as my left leg is sweeping, my right leg wants to jump backwards to the diagonal here. Okay, so from here, again, I have kind of 2 options. I can bend this leg, keep this leg straight. Same thing with this one. I can go both hands, switch my foot, or keep this one straight. Okay, so again, sweep and then either switch your feet and you do both hands, or switch your feet and do one hand. So from here, left leg, going back, switch. So from here, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get to this position again. So I'm using that left leg to push forward here. My right leg will shoot through. So from here, all I'm gonna do, jump my left leg slightly forward, right leg comes through, and then from here, just a simple weight change, almost like I'm doing a monkey swing, okay? So again, from here, left leg sweeps. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So one more time. So 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's have that down. Let's try to put this together with some counts. So for this one, I'm just gonna use whole counts. Go 1, 2, 3, 4 for each movement. And for this one, we're gonna do an 8 count, one direction. So that'll be 2 4-steps going counterclockwise and 2 4-steps going the other way. Okay, so for the reset, all I'm gonna do is instead of switching back to this foot, I'm just gonna plant it so I can go back the other way. Okay, so here we go. So 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, plant. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so try that again. I'll face the back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 6, 7, 8. This goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Plant. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor. Like this video, subscribe to my channel right now, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. All right, so key takeaways with this one, you really want to keep a consistent pattern going on in your head, whether that's going left, right, left, or you can even start from the back and go right, left, right, and keep that going in your head. So again, keep that consistent pattern going. And again, you can speed it up. You can keep your legs straight. You can keep your leg bent. It's really up to you what you want to do with it artistically. All right, so I'd love to see you practicing and training hard. So go ahead and post up a video and make sure you tag at Darren R. Wong in it. I'll be sure to give you props, give you some shout outs, and good things like that. All right, so again, make sure you like this video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you never miss out on a video. And go ahead and comment down below what you liked about it, what you learned from it. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.